Liars tonight? It's amazing. I'm having a really good time. It's a little hot, but other than that, we're good.
Just a little bit hot.
It is LA, everyone.
How does it feel to be a part of such a great show as Pretty Little Liars?
You know what? It's amazing. It's been a crazy ride these last 3 years, and I'm really proud to be on the show. I love my character, and I love my co-stars, and our crew is just really down to earth. Everyone's really down to earth. And, we become like a family, and I think that's really cool as an actress too. It's like getting into a really good situation. It's kind of like a home, and for us to be nominated for the third time in a row is incredible. So we're very, very happy and excited.
Oh, that's so sweet. I mean, anyone who follows the actresses, the lead actresses of Pretty Little Liars on Instagram and Twitter will see that you always post pictures together and you always text each other. So I think that's really sweet that you can actually work and be friends and
it's rare. It's rare. Sometimes that isn't the way it works, and especially for tons of girls on set, it could go either way. But we go in the good direction, so that's great.
And tell me, I mean, as a girl, I know it's hard to dress up for these type of events, right? I mean, it is like this fashion mess on your head. You don't know what to do, what color, what shoes, but there's just, do you suffer like us?
Of course I do. Of course I do. But I have a lifesaver. My stylist, Jeff Kim, is like one of my favorite people in this world. He's just amazing. And so I've been really lucky to have him. And, we kind of work together and coincide in what we want. And I'm always very happy with what I wear. So I'm good. I got it covered. Hi guys, I'm Sasha Petersa. I'm from Pretty Little Liars, and please stay tuned to Boomerang. They are amazing.